Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so we talked yesterday about the bears not establishing the daily mid-band as resistance, turning it into confirmed support, and that was going to cost them the upper band, if not new all-time highs. They made a new all-time high on the cash. They went and touched the upper band. We've pulled back a little bit into the mid 40s. Basically, what you're looking at now, unless something changes, is you've turned that 43, 44 area that was support back here. That was resistance back here, potentially into support. And you couldn't crack the 9-day. So look, the bears are not out of the woods yet. What they need to do today is they need to establish a lower high. It can be anywhere in here. You need to establish a lower high. What you're going to see a lot of people screaming from the mountaintops today is that you've got a double top up in the area of 74 that matches with prior highs. But for me, what's more important than that is the ability or inability of the bears to generate a lower high that then turns into a lower low. You can make all the lower highs you want, but if you continue to make higher lows, then that becomes a problem. That turns into something that triangulates for a while and then typically in this environment would break to the upside. So they need a lower high and then they need a lower low. It's been a fantastic tape. Right now we are long, we're long 48.75 after getting out of some shorts, and we did that last night against the 46. So sometimes I don't think I do a good job of articulating exactly what we're doing and when we're doing it in the room. I know everybody in the room knows, but look, here's the deal. You want our week? I'll give you the week. Here's the week. So we got long against 54.5 on Monday afternoon, and we rode that up. Some people rode it all the way up. If you didn't do that, then we woke up in the morning and we gave you the open yesterday against 61. We gave you the move off of our proprietary level against 63.5. So we were long. Why? Because price was going up. We stay long as you need to stay long. Before what? Before it's time to get short. About 2:30, time to get short. So we did. That was fun. Heading down into the mid 40s. But that was finished last night. So last night about 8:30 or so, we get long against 46, and now we're up here. So, I'm not, I'm not saying that to brag in any way, or I'm not like that. Anybody that knows me, what I am saying is this: these markets are moving, even for summer markets, and they're providing opportunity. If you trade this stuff consistently, if you want to learn how to trade it, I think you're doing yourself a disservice if you don't at least try us out. I think you'll like what you find. So where are we headed today? Well, we're sitting at an inflection point right now at 57. Our proprietary moving average is at 57. You can see the hourly mid-band. I think the bears have got a push down in them. The issue for me becomes, chances are it's going to be a higher low versus here, and then what happens on this move. They don't have to do over 74 today. Obviously, that would be ideal. I think the bears have their best advantage, their best opportunity to turn things around, say in the last 5 to 8 sessions, but they have to finish. That's where the bears have problems. They have incredible difficulty finishing, kind of like right here. This set up the last 2 sessions. When they went matching lows at 35, that was that. I didn't even throw in the one from Friday where we got long there. So, it's a situation where we're back to the same story we've talked about, at least since I've been doing these videos. I've been doing these videos 6 or 7 years. The bears have to finish. The market will always present each side with opportunities. It's the side that executes It's a side that finishes those opportunities that will be successful. The bears have another opportunity here to execute, to make a lower low, to convert the weekly pivot to resistance, and go ahead and get back to work on some of the lows that they achieved last week, heading down towards daily mid-band, weekly pivot, all down at 28.39. Because until they convert that area, until they turn this into a sell rallies market, then a lot of this that's happening up above here is just news-based noise that may or may not have any staying power. All right, everybody have a good one. We'll be out with the midday update, daily reports coming up. That's pivots, charts, webcast, all there, one-stop shopping, a great way to start your day. I will be back on social in a little bit. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.